The madesmart in-drawer knife mat simply keeps your knives safe and sharp. The non-slip, soft grip material base prevents your knives from sliding in your kitchen drawers. Use the 5 spaces to safely separate your knives. The madesmart in-drawer knife mat simply keeps your knives safe and sharp. The non-slip, soft grip material base prevents your knives from sliding in your kitchen drawer. Use the 5 spaces to safely separate your knives. Top reviews from the United States. Great space saver. I recently moved to a home with fewer, and narrower, kitchen drawers. I have 5 prep knives, 4.75 in santoku, 6.25 in santoku, 6.00 in bread knife, 7.00 in serrated slicer, and 2.5 in paring knife. They fit perfectly in this knife holder with an empty slot between each knife. There's room to add more knives, but I have plenty as it is. I love that there is no wasted space with this knife holder. It doesn't have added material that you don't need, so it sits nice and low in a drawer and it's narrow enough for the narrowest of kitchen drawers. It's incredibly easy to clean and has held up to daily use. I am so happy with this knife holder.